Hey guys, Spinach Sassy here. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but you're in for a real treat today. We're making plant cell pizza. So basically, there's a cell unit that I'm doing in science class, and I have to make a 3D model, so I decided to make pizza so my whole class can eat it and they'll be like, oh, Faith, it's so good. Anyway, yeah, that's my story, guys. Sticking to it. So let's go ahead and get started. The ingredient list is a little bit long today because there are just a lot of parts of this cell. Just make sure you have everything your teacher wants. So first you have to have a cell wall because this is a plant cell. So this is just a ready-made crust that I have. Then the cell membrane is some sauce. So this sauce. Anyway, then the nucleus, I'm using an onion ring to show it. And then for the nucleolus, inside of it is a mushroom top. And then also in the nucleus, as some of you may know, is DNA. And I'm just using some grilled chicken for that. Then we're going to have some chloroplast, so just some spinach. And then olives, I'm using those for vesicles. A slice of mozzarella for the central vacuole. Some red bell pepper that I cut up. We're going to use half of it with Parmesan and then half of it without for the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The green bell pepper is going to be for the Golgi apparatus. And then the bacon bits here are ribosomes. I made sure to pick something really yummy for ribosomes because there's lots of ribosomes all over and I love bacon, so perfect. And then I got some mozzarella cheese and some cheddar cheese just to mix up the color a bit for the cytoplasm and the cytoskeleton. And then we've got some mini pepperoni for the, what was that again? The mitochondria. Sorry guys, forgot there. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started with this thing. What I've done here is I've just sauced and cheesed this pizza crust up like you would any other pizza, but how we're going to differ it, we're going to add some of the sharp cheddar cheese. You can really use any kind of orange cheese, just something that looks different from the mozzarella. I'm using sharp cheddar and it's going to represent the cytoskeleton. You don't need very much at all, just a little bit, like just a pinch really. So, what should we do first? I'm thinking the nucleus. You're just going to take this onion ring and put it in the middle because that's where the nucleus is. You're going to put this mushroom right in the center of that. You're just going to arrange some chicken in it so it looks like DNA. I'm not sure this onion is quite big enough, but it doesn't have to be perfect or anything. It just has to be a cell, I guess. Oh, can I fit it in there? Oof. I think this onion ring is a little too small, but it's okay. So that's our nucleus right there. Ta-da! And then we're going to, what should we do next? Let's go with the chloroplast. Yes, chloroplast justice. Anywhere. I'm going to take the stem off so it just looks like a green little thing. And just like set a couple leaves throughout the place. I just put 3. And the central vacuole is your mozzarella. Just place it anywhere. I'm just setting it right there. That's going to be a really cheesy piece of pizza right there. Yeah. So before we move on, just take a look at it. Alright. Now I've just added the red pepper, just like 3 slices for the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So I've got my Parmesan here, just grated, and we're going to put it on half of the ER. That's short for endoplasmic reticulum. And I just want to cheese it up so it looks like the rough endoplasmic reticulum, eh? That's really cheesy now. Look how, that's like snow coating right there. Are you seeing this? Fabulous. So next, we're gonna do the olives, which are the vesicles. We just need a couple throughout the place. Do you guys like olives on your pizza? My best friend doesn't. I just don't get it. I like olives a lot. So you're just gonna put some olives all over the place. You can use sliced or whole, whatever. I'm using sliced because that's what's easiest for me, but whatever. So we just got a couple of those. And now, how about the Golgi apparatus? We're just gonna take our green peppers again, line them up over here. Just 3 will do. Just right there. Do you see that? Alright. This is getting to be a full pizza, guys. I'm really pumped about this. And I guess we just have ribosomes and pepperoni left. Ribosomes and pepperoni. Yep. Okay. That sounded a bit weird. I should have said ribosomes and the mitochondria, but no, I said ribosomes and pepperoni because I'm swag like that. Okay, so mitochondria, they just go everywhere because they make energy, so you have to get a lot of them, right? Yep. So just put them everywhere. I love pepperoni too, guys. I love pizza. It's like my favorite food. Is it your guys' favorite food? It's my favorite food. Yeah, it's delicious. So just sort of make it rain, so to speak, eh? Maybe not in the chloroplast. Okay, so now just ribosomes. And now we can actually make it rain, except not on the smoothie R, because that's supposed to be smooth, not with ribosomes. So just baconize. Oh. Baconize. That should be a song or something. Baconize, bake, baconize, yeah. I'm not a good singer, as you can tell, but bacon. So, I guess that's it, right? We have the nucleus, and inside of it, the DNA and the nucleolus. We've got the Golgi apparatus. We've got the rough ER and the smooth ER, the cell membrane, the cell wall, the central vacuole, the chloroplast, the mitochondria, the vesicles, both ERs. Did I already say that? I might have. The Golgi apparatus. Yeah. Pretty sure that's everything, guys. So, that's really awesome looking. So now you just have to bake it, and then you just gotta eat it. This is our cell plant pizza before it's cooked. Now you just have to cook it at whatever your crust instructions say. Next time I think I might add a little bit more cell membrane. That's the sauce, guys, because you can't really see it and there's a lot of extra crust space. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good, but we'll just see how it looks after it bakes, right? I'm so pumped right now. Oh, it smells like Pizza Hut in here, guys. It smells amazing. It just came out of the oven. And look at all these fabulous organelles. It's so colorful and yummy looking, and I'm so ready to eat it in one bite. I didn't say that. Oops. Yeah. So if you guys make this, feel free to use whatever ingredients you like. And send me a picture to my email. I'll put that in the description. And I hope you guys like this cell pizza today. Remember, subscribe and like the video and nerd on, peeps. Love ya.